Hello everyone, once again we are with an amazing video. In this video I will show you how to install latest version of Python on Windows 11 operating system, and also we will run some basic Python programs. So let's get started. To install Python, we will first download the Python installer from official website. So search for Python. Python.org is our official website. Click on it. Here you have downloads. Click on downloads. You will get download the latest version for Windows. You have a button download Python 3.13.0. This is our latest version on 13th November 2024. Click on it. It may take a couple of minutes to complete the download. We will wait for it. Now our installer is downloaded. Click on it. Open the folder. Double click. It will launch the Python setup. Here you will get two options. The first to install now, and the second is customize installation. You also have two options, two checkboxes. This will give you admin privileges when installing py.exe, and this will add python.exe to environment variables. So check these two. Now you can click install now. It will install the Python on the default location. You can also go for customize installation. Here you will get option to choose a specific location and other features. We will select customize installation. Click on it. Here you will get the optional features. Documentation is there. It will download the Python documentation. Pip is there. It will install pip. Pip is very important. We will use pip to install Python packages such as NumPy, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, etc. This will install tkinter and IDE. Tkinter is a Python library for creating graphical user interface, and IDE is Python basic IDE. Check all these features and for all users. Click on next. You now have advanced features. Click this for all users. On this location, Python will be installed. Here you have options to change installation location, but it is recommended to install at this location only. Click install. Click yes. It will start the installation. It may take a couple of minutes to install. We will wait. Here our setup is successful. Python is installed successfully. Here we have a warning. We can click on it. Click on yes to disable. Up to now we have completed the installation of latest version, that is 3.13.0. Here you have some links for the online tutorial and documentation. You can go and read. So our Python setup is successful. You can close it. Now let's check that our Python installation is successful. So for that, open CMD, open terminal, command prompt. Just write here Python space hyphen version. Here you get Python 3.13.0. That is our latest version. Here you can write Python or simple py and press enter. Now here you can write Python script. So let's print hello world. Press enter. This is hello world. You can check also 2 plus 3, it will give 5. So our Python is working and our Python installation is successful. There are other ways to write the Python script. Let's check. Click on start button. Go for all apps. Python is there, Python 3.13 new. Click on it. You will see Python IDE, Python utility, and Python and Python module docs is there. So just click on it. It will open the Python documentation in localhost. You can go and read. Let's check other options. Click this Python utility. You can write here Python scripts. Let's print. Welcome to Python programming. Press enter. It prints welcome to Python programming. Python IDE. It's a basic Python IDE. Click on it. You can use it also to write Python scripts. This Python IDE highlights in different colors and sometimes shows autocompletes. There are many advanced IDEs such as PyCharm, VS Code, Jupyter Notebook the programmers are using for the complex projects. We will create more videos to download and install some of these IDEs, and we will use one of these IDEs in our future videos. You can also create a new Python file and save it as test.py. So let's create new file and save it as test.py. So we will save it on desktop. Let's save it. We can write some basic program. So let's write a basic function to add two numbers. Save it. You can run. Click run module. C. The add is sum of 2 and 4 is 6. You can also run this test.py file from the command prompt. So let's open the terminal cmd and go to desktop cd desktop. Now we have our file test.py on desktop. So just write only Python and file name test.py. Press enter. It will show 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. So now we have installed our Python successful, and we have seen how we can run Python program in different ways. Thank you for watching this video.